Okay, yeah, I know I said I was done with the semi-annual sale, but now it's the winter sale. Now Bath and Body Works has extended the semi-annual sale to now the winter sale. Y'all know they do this every single year. You know, the stuff that didn't sell, they just call it a new sale, which is the winter sale. Winter, I think it's called winter warm sale or something like that. But anyway, I got a box. I got a box. I have a box. At first I wasn't gonna do this video because I know y'all tired of the semi-annual sale, the winter sale. I know y'all getting tired of all of that stuff, but these prices are so good, I just could not help myself. And I really didn't get a whole lot. The candles, the 2 candles I got were 50% off. I think that was the price. I think they were like 50% off, but I got them because of I can't find these candles in my store, and I don't think this candle is gonna come back. So let's talk about the 75% stuff. Y'all know I was looking for this Pure Wonder. They only had it online, and I think it was like 3 something. I actually ordered 2, but only 1 was in the box, and I should receive the other one today because she did do next day. I got this box yesterday. So like I told y'all once before, I'm late to the game on Pure Wonder. I've always had Pure Wonder, but I gave it away. I ended up giving it away to my daughter, I believe. So when I tried the body wash, I really liked it. So I decided to just go ahead and buy it again because, as y'all do know, we were thinking that this was going to be discontinued, but I think they only discontinued this style lotion, I believe, because of the formula of it. So the formula is going to change. That's the reason why a lot of this stuff was discontinued. I'm not sure what the new package will say. I'm not sure, but I just know these were on 75%. Smells so good. The next 2 things I got is Paradise Coconut. I grabbed 2 of the soaps, and y'all know your girl don't need no more soap. I'm just here to tell you, I got so much soap. I don't need to participate in no more soap sales, no 75% sales, none of that. The scent notes on this is pineapple, sugarcane, coconut milk. Y'all know I love coconut, and most of the time, whatever Bath and Body Works drop, I'm gonna try it. So yeah, that's the reason why I got this, and I think this was a semi-annual release. I don't think this has been in the store like the past season. I think it was just only a semi-annual exclusive release. I end up getting pumpkin pecan waffle wallflower refills. This is the double pack. I started to order 2, but I'm gonna pop them open and just use them in my oil warmer. So that's the reason why I just got 1 package. I actually was looking for this, so I'm happy I got it. You know, this isn't a scent that I usually buy a lot of because when it first came out, this was one of the scents that I used to buy every single year, and I burned tons of these candles, and I actually still have a couple from like back in the day. But when I used to go into the store and they had this as the store scent, I really liked it. So that's what made me buy this. I have never bought this in a wallflower ever. So yeah, so I'm kind of happy to try it. And I'm sure everybody know the scent notes. It's actually on the front. So yes. And I think this was like maybe $3, I think. Yeah, I think this was like $3. Again, the candles. The 2 candles that I got, and like I said, they're the same candles. The 2 candles I got is the same. And I decided to get Afternoon Rain Fall. I'm not sure what is going on with my camera. Afternoon Rain Fall. Yes, I really wanted this. To me, To me, on cold, just smelling it, it's not really giving me what I want, but burning is better. Yeah, and I think this lid is slightly fishy like. And I think that's what kind of turning everybody off from it. It's something with the lid. But yes, the scent notes is soft rain, aloe blossom, musk. For some reason, I know I'm very drawn to aloe. Most of the time when there's the scent note have aloe in it, I will try it. I don't know why, but for some reason, I just love that scent. So yeah, I end up grabbing 2. Yes, it's the same 2 candles. And then I got 2 items free with rewards. The first thing is Indigo Paradise is one of the candles I got free with rewards. I did a let's talk about it. So if you haven't seen that video, I most definitely will link it up in the cards. I don't even know what side, but I'll link it up in the cards so you could kind of get in on the chat or the discussion that we're having about this candle. So yes, this is really nice. More citrus like. Very, very citrus. Really, really nice candle. Citrus, sugarcane, blackcurrant. So yeah, I got that because I most definitely wanted to get something in this whole destination, or I don't even know what it's called, destination collection. Really, really like that collection. And the next free item I got is Inspire Love, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I am so happy to see this back. And I think it's only coming out in a single wick, which is the rose and vanilla. So nice. I was trying to see if I have the candle over here. So yes, this is the candle. This is the 2020 version. I have a couple of these. So I am so happy that it's finally back. Love, love, love this candle. It's actually really, really nice. So I'm happy to see that they're bringing it back. Yes, you cannot go wrong with this candle, especially if you like those soft scented candles. You don't like, this isn't your typical like powerhouse candle. No, this is not what that is. This is just a soft girly scent, soft sweet scent. This is really nice. Rose scented candle. I love it. The scent notes is just rose and vanilla. Same family as pink lilac and vanilla. That same soft girly like scent. So if you love scents like that, if you love like just a medium to maybe, I don't want to say low, I think I'm gonna say if you love these type of scents, these girly scents that has more of a medium throw, or a candle that you could just kind of have going in the background, you smell it every once in a while, that's what this is. And I'm not saying that it don't throw, because it do throw, but it's more of a medium throw. And sometimes you can forget that it's in the room, especially if you've been in the room for a while. Yes, it kind of get lost in the room, but don't mistake it. This is good. This is good, and I highly, highly, highly recommend you get it. So if you have some rewards, try to grab this candle just to try it out. But if you already have a few in your collection, it's back. Like I do, I already have a few. So I'm super excited that it's back, and I was able to grab a single wick. So yeah, I'm happy about that. So that was basically it. That was it. I'm not buying no more winter stuff or winter semi-annual sale collection extended version or whatever they want to call it. I'm not buying nothing else. I did see on the website, like yesterday, they had that blanket, but it was still going for $20. I decided to just go ahead and pass on it. I thought the price would go a little bit cheaper. If the price did go a little cheaper, I would have bought it. If I could have found one in the store, which I knew I wasn't going to, you know, I probably would have bought it at the $15 price point. That was my goal price. It never reached that. So it is what it is. Like I said, I have tons of blankets, so it's not a big deal. So yes, that was everything I got from the winter sale. I'm not buying no more winter nothing. Now I'm finna move on to spring stuff. I'm waiting on a good spring sale, candle sale, and then y'all will probably start seeing those videos or those hauls. Hopefully the price is right and I could grab some of the candles that I want. So far I'm looking at like 12 candles. I don't know if I'm going to buy all 12 of them all at once. I don't know, depending on the sale. But I do have an app coupon, so that most definitely will help out a whole lot. From my understanding, we're supposed to have a candle sale this weekend, but that's not etched in stone because y'all know Bath and Body Works will switch up really, really quick. So that's gonna be it for this video. So yeah, don't forget to leave comments about anything I talked about in the video. So yeah, also let me know, are you still shopping the winter sale? Or are you still buying semi-annual things? Did you get that blanket? Because now it is sold out. Were you the person that bought that blanket? Leave all that stuff down in the comments. And also I want to give a big old shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for having my back. Thank you for always watching anything I put out. Vlogs, reviews, hauls, let's talk about it videos. So thank you for supporting me. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help. It's on Instagram. On Instagram, of course. Sorry, y'all. Kind of messed that part up. But yeah, all that stuff really do help, y'all. So I'm gonna get out of here and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.